Got it. About a month ago, I made that creeper butt dolly that you saw my assist on with the apple box, and I guess I'm gonna rewind now and show you how I built it. So right now, this was about 2 months ago when I was building it, and I was kind of just coming up with it in my head, and here I am trying to explain to you what the design is, which I had no idea at the time. So it's safe to say that I use scrap wood for this project. This is it's just going to be like this and like this. So this next clip coming up, I wasn't actually going to put in, but I decided to leave it in because it was my eureka moment where I finally decided on what the rest of the design was going to be. This is Big Brain Dave here. Also, if you're wondering why this table is so dirty, it's also my welding table. Those are burn marks. So before we actually get to the end of the video, I want to apologize because I didn't actually get footage of me finishing the project. I was kind of in a rush to finish this thing, and I didn't record the whole time. So I guess I can kind of explain things that you're not going to see until the end, where I stained it brown and I put the wheels in the wrong spot. I also chamfered all the edges with a chamfering bit on a router. And you can see here I used scrap wood. It was used to be part of a beam. So again, sorry for not having footage of the finish of the end product, but here are some photos of it on set and kind of in use. Hopefully I'm allowed to use this footage. The show's not out yet. Is that edgy? Thanks for watching that, guys. I really appreciate you guys getting through all that. So just to preface, I spent $35 Canadian on those wheels, and the wood was scrap wood, so I had that kicking around. The legit one, which is obviously way better, you saw in the videos, is $850 US from Film Tools, not including duties and shipping. So it's not better, but it is more affordable, and I would say it works probably just as well.
Wide leg technique.
Green always winds up backwards.
If you saw in the videos, it's not as fast as the legit one, and the wheels they can have trouble turning around, if you know what I mean. You have to kind of reset it. If anyone knows a dolly, you'll know what I mean. Also, I put the wheels in the wrong spots, and my gaffer actually stopped letting us use it because he thought it was unsafe, because we would always put our feet in the wrong spot and we would just tip. So I did a redesign, and that video is coming out in a bit. I actually just shot it today. Maybe I'll show a little bit of it now just to tease you guys.